The really great thing about social media is that you can raise climate awareness because you reach a much bigger audience. So if you can post on TikTok, Instagram, even LinkedIn, it's a really good way to reach people that might not be so aware of weather or climate content that's out there. So I think it increases the chance that you'll reach a younger audience, and those are the people who really are faced with the future of a warming world. Weather presenters are really valuable at the moment because we're quite a trusted source of information. We've built up a relationship with the viewers, so the audience know who we are and they hopefully trust us, and that means we are really crucial in communicating the information. We've also, most of us have quite scientific backgrounds, so we can take the technical, the difficult information and translate it into something that's a lot easier to understand. So we can bring out the key points of what's important and what's happening right now and get that information across to the audience. One of the really important things that we've noticed in the UK and in Ireland as well is that the ocean temperatures, the sea surface temperatures around our islands are warming. So we're seeing already this year, we've already had some very, very high sea surface temperatures for the time of year, and we're going to continue to see that happening. So I think people are now very aware that what's happening around our oceans is affecting not just the coastal communities, but people living further inland as well. The United Kingdom's a bit of an island, it's a small island, so what's happening in the water is really important to us. We already know that the Gulf Stream plays a really big role in our weather, so if anything affects that, that's also going to affect what's happening with the waters around our shores. We're on the same latitude as countries that are traditionally much colder. If we disrupt the ocean currents, will that disrupt what we expect to have for a typical season? So it's something that I think we're all very aware of and we need to keep paying attention to.